take a night. You won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your week. Holy shit, what week is it? I guess it's your week 10 rundown. Little timber on in the background for you because I'm going down. Yep, that's right. I barely cracked 100 points this week. What else is there to say, really? In the game of the week, after I made all of these trades, in the PRNSC FFL, I feel like I'm failing. I really do feel like a failure. Retired garbage man, big week, Lamar Jackson, Josh Allen, Zeke Elliott, Melvin Gordon, Keenan Allen, Marvin Jones. I mean, you just go down the list here. Greg Olsen, Golden fucking Tate, Ronald Jones. God, even Marquise Brown on the bench. I mean, Jared Goff put up 0.8 points. How am I supposed to do anything? David Johnson, negative 1.5. It's just not my year, guys. It's just not my year. It's not my year. Anyways, retired garbage man moves to 7-3. Quaker Oats drops to 4-6. 4-6. Unbelievable. Next up, it was the maintenance guy with a big win over Team Higgins. Team Higgins fails to crack 100. Team Higgins, if it weren't for you, I think I would be the low scorer of the week. So shout out to you for being the low score again. At least you check your lineup and didn't start anybody on a bye this week. So maintenance guy moves to 4-6, and would you look at that? Ryan Windrum is knocking on the door for the playoffs, baby. The maintenance guy, watch out. Might be taking my spot. I got the hiccups real bad. Next up, it's Zach's Chlorine reading with a huge upset victory. I thought this would be a little bit higher scoring, but there's Timmy Fusco only putting up 96 points, limping into the playoffs. Are you? Cooper Kupp with a whopping 0 points. Aaron Rodgers with 7. And the Cowboys defense with the whopping -1. You went the wrong direction there. Not like 110.8 is good. But a win's a win. Chris Carson powered you to victory last night, Monday Night Football. Quiet in the group chat from Timmy Fusco lately, and that's why, because you lost again. Still 8-2, still in first place, but Zach's Chlorine reading big win, and would you look at that? I'm 4-6. Ryan Windrum's 4-6. Tom Deanna's 4-6. Told you Tom Deanna's team was going to be making a comeback here. And would you look at that? Another 4-6 team. That's Brett's Swimming Lessons, 158.8. Normally good, not when you're going up against Doggy Paddle, who is now 9-1, puts up 204.8 points. Matt is easily our top scorer of the week. It wasn't even close. Kyler Murray, Christian McCaffrey, Dalvin Cook, who should be the MVP, Travis Kelce, Derrick Henry put up only 40 points, Larry Fitz, the Ravens defense with 23. I mean, Cam, I feel bad for you. Aaron Jones still had 31, Michael Thomas 21.5, Austin Eckler, who everyone was like, oh, he's not going to do anything, or Jarvis Landry, oh, Cameron, I can't believe you traded for him, he's not going to do anything. Well, would you look at that? I could have used them this fucking weekend, but no. Cameron 158.8, nothing to hang your head on, and Cameron 4-6. Do you see the trend here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-6 teams. And in our last game of the week, it was Team Kiddie Pool Island. Oh, look at that, another 4-6 team. It's Aquafill and Company. Team Kiddie Pool Island, 98.3. Aquafill and Company 147. Big win for Mike Barron, who's now 4-6. Team Kiddie Pool Island drops to 5-5. It's like a roller coaster for Team Kiddie Pool Island. 2 wins, 2 losses, 1 win, 1 loss. You're all over the place. You can't, no traction there. Could have probably done a little bit better than starting a quarterback who got benched 2 hours before the game. Hashtag check your lineups. Failed to crack 100. It's not like that was making a difference because the Jets gobbled up Saquon Barkley. He only put up 5.5 points. Pretty lopsided game there. So let's check out our league standings and our projected playoff bracket. In the Big Rock, it's Doggy Paddle at 9-1, Retired Garbage Man at 7-3. We've got Brett's Swimming Lessons and Quaker Oats both at 4-6, and at the bottom of the division, it's the aforementioned 1-9 Team Higgins. In the Kiddie Pool division, we've got PRNSC Hall of Fame Class 18 at 8-2. Then it's Team Kiddie Pool Island at 4-4, Aquafil 4-6, the Maintenance Guy 4-6, Zach's Chlorine Readings 4-6. I'm done with power rankings. What's more important is the projected playoff bracket, and here we go. Top 6 teams make the playoffs. We've got week 11, we've got week 12, we've got week 13, 3 weeks left of the regular season, and then it's the playoffs. So if you look right now, we've got Doggy Paddle, the 1 seed at 9-1 on the bye. The 2 seed is PRNSC Hall of Fame Class 18, also on a bye. The 3 seed retired Garbage Man at 7-3. The 4 seed would be Team Kiddie Pool Island at 5-5. Brett's Swim Lessons at 4-6. The 5 seed, and at the 6 seed at 4-6, it's Quaker Oats. If you go, well, I'm 4-6. How come I'm not the 5 seed, and how come I'm not the 6 team? It's the 2 Coyle brothers that got in. Well, I'm gonna fucking show you, so you guys would stop complaining and bitching and leave me alone every once in a fucking while. If you look at the power rankings here, the tiebreaker would be points 4. Brett's Swimming Lessons, Quaker Oats, both 4-6. Aquafil and Company 4-6. Your points behind me. Team Kiddie Pool Island is 5-5, so he's actually above us up here. The Maintenance Guy 4-6, way behind Zach's Chlorine Readings 4-6, way behind in points 4. So points 4 is the tiebreaker, which is why, God, look at how ugly this L3 is. Just pitiful. Points 4 is the tiebreaker when it comes to the projected playoff bracket. Let's give you your Week 11 matchups and get out of here because I am just fucking drowning in this league. Oh, it's a battle of 2 4-6 teams. It's Quaker Oats taking on Zach's Chlorine Readings. Not our matchup of the week, but very well could have been. These 2 teams made a recent trade. So I guess we'll see what happens here. I'm in desperate need of a win. I cannot drop 4 in a row. I can't go a month without winning a fantasy game in the Swim Club League when I'm trying to keep this fucking stupid trophy in my room. Next up, it would be Doggy Paddle at 9-1, taking on Team Higgins at 1-9. Not going to say anything. Not worth my time. Next up, it's Brett's Swimming Lessons Cameron at 4-6, taking on the retired Garbage Man at 7-3. Good game. Cam, you need a win. You're the 5 seed right now. Things could very much change next week. Cam, you put up 158 last week. Should have been enough. We'll see what happens this week. Next, we've got a floundering PRNSC Hall of Fame Class 18 at 8-2, going up against Aquafil and Company's 4-6. Aquafil and Company, hot right now. Watch out, Timmy Fusco. You talked a big game early on in the year. You better start to back it up. And your matchup of the week is going to be, drumroll please, the Maintenance Guy at 4-6, taking on Team Kiddie Pool Island at 5-5. Ryan's team, not bad. Not good by any means, but not bad. Team Kiddie Pool Island, struggle city lately. Like I said, roller coaster. You win 2, you lose 2, you win 1, you lose 1. So I'm keeping a close eye on this one. I think both of these teams are decent at best, and I think this should be a fun one to keep an eye on. So, and in their last matchup, it was the Maintenance Guy with a huge win. So Tommy looking for revenge, the Maintenance Guy looking to go to 5-6. That's all I got for you fuckos this week. Hopefully I can get a win, because I don't think I can do this again next year if I go a month without winning a game in this fucking league. That's all. Goodbye.